Hi, today we're going to look at how to convert a Notion form into PDF file on automation. You can see I have got a tutoring contract form opened up over here. This is a simple Notion form with all the fields that I need to have. And once I click on submit, I will get a responses in this responses view of the database. I've already created two entries out of the particular form that you find over here onto this database. And now I'm looking to convert these entries into PDF file on automation. For this, I'll be using a tool known as PDF Output, which will help me create the PDFs on automation from a Google document with the help of a Notion database. So the Notion database contains all the information that I want to convert to PDF, and the Google document is where I'll be creating the template to be converted to PDF file. So we can create any sort of document such as reports, invoices, contracts, certificates, or even quotations that you're planning to generate in a business with this automation tool. Click on create PDF and quickly continue with Google, and I will just simply sign in, and then we will see how the automation will work out once I'm logged in to create the PDFs. So once you log in, the very first thing which you need to do is you need to connect your database inside the selection screen. So I will click on add Notion database, and it will allow me to add the database inside the selection screen. So I will just simply copy the database title which I have on my Notion account. I'll head back to the selection screen. I'll click on select pages and I'll put the title inside the search pages field. You should be able to see the particular form appear over here. Click on this and the form is now added up. So when you're looking to add a form or a database, simply put it inside the search pages and then add it. Click on allow access, and now I will get access to the database which I can use for the automation steps. Now it will automatically load the database for you to check out. If it is not showing the database in the dropdown that will be visible over here, you can simply click on reload database and it will automatically show the database. Notice that the tutoring contract form is not showing up over here. So if I click on reload database, it will definitely show me the database in the dropdown, which I can use for the remaining steps. So if you click on the dropdown, you should be able to see the database. It is still not showing, so I will reload it once again, and I should be able to see the database appear in the dropdown. So you can see the tutoring contract form is now visible. Click on this. If you scroll down, you should be able to see all the properties of the tutoring contracts, which is showing up over here one below the other. Next is let's add a document to this setup. So click on add Google document. If you already have a tutoring contract template available on your drive, click on existing document and choose the template that is already available from your drive, which you can use for the demonstration purpose. I don't have any document available for this use case. I will just click on add demo document, and it will create me a sample document with all the placeholders of tutoring contract template automatically showing up over here. So what you can see is it created me this simple document with every placeholder of the database already added up. So we have the student name, subject, tutor name, fee amount, everything is already showing up inside double curly brackets that you can see over here. Okay. So when the PDF will be generated, all these fields inside double curly brackets that you find will be mapped with the database values that you find over here, and then the document will be created. As an example, the fee amount will be replaced with the fee amount value that you find over here. Similarly, the start date will be replaced with the start date value that you see over here, and so on for all the other fields. If you want to add any property onto the document once again, let's say I want to add the student name, click on copy, go to the document where you wish to add it, and simply use Ctrl V or Command V on your keyboard. You can automatically copy paste the property onto the document. Let's say you want to add the start date, click on copy and put it inside the document where you wish to add it. So you can copy paste any property as per your choice onto the document, and it can be added up as per your requirement. Once everything is in place, define how we want to see the PDF file. So I want to create the PDF file by the tutor name that you find over here. So I will just select the tutor name, and the documents will be generated as per the tutor name field. Okay. Click on download PDF, and now if you scroll to the right side of the database, you will be able to see generate PDF and PDF file. Any record which is set as ready to generate will be converted to PDF file, and it will be stored in the PDF file column. So make sure to mark your record as ready to generate whichever you want to convert to PDF before you start downloading the PDF. And let me open up each of the files of the database so we can see how the properties are mapped. So you can see every placeholders have been correctly mapped with the database entries that we had created earlier, and the document has been created as per that. So you can see that we have got two files wherein all the placeholders have been correctly replaced with the values from the database. Now if you want to automate this process to run forever, simply click on setup Notion automation, and this will execute the automation to run forever, which means You do not need to add the database, you do not need to add the document again and again to set up everything. What you need to do is, once you click on Setup Notion Automation and the user clicks on Submit, you will receive the entries inside the database. Simply mark the entries as ready to generate and the PDF will automatically be created within the database right in the PDF file column. This makes the automation super useful and handy, as all the automations directly happen within the database. And whenever the user clicks on submit and the entries appear in the database, you simply need to set it as ready to generate and the PDF will be created right over here. So this is really useful and handy, as it doesn't allow you to use PDF output again and again to create a PDF, as all the automations take place within the database, and it simply reads the values from the database and it creates the PDF right over here. Okay. So I hope this demo was helpful to you. If you have any questions on the same, use this chat bubble. Send me a message with your queries. I'll be able to address the same. Or else you can go to the bottom of the home page where you will be able to see the contact window. Click on the contact. Send me a message with your queries on the same. I'll be able to address the same as well. You can even book a free demo session where I'll be guiding you step by step on how to use this tool and take the best advantage of the automation to generate the PDF directly within the database. So that was it entirely from my side. I hope you start automating the PDFs on your end using PDF output. And you can see it has started processing this document, which will be soon converted to PDF within the database, as we just saw. This is how powerful